Hi, this is Polyban Teaches and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video of English core subject for class 12th. So on demand, today I am going to teach you invitation. This is one of the questions asked in the CBSE class 12th paper, and this is considered to be one of the short type questions. So let us start with today's class with invitation. Let me just share the screen with you all. Today we are going to start with the topic how to write an invitation. For knowing this, we need to understand what an invitation is. So let's see. What is an invitation? Invitations are used to invite a person or groups of people to functions, get-togethers, events, etc. तो किसी भी फंक्शन या गेट टुगेदर में जब किसी व्यक्ति को हम बुलाते हैं या तो किसी एक व्यक्ति को या अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, देन वी सेंड हिम और दोस पीपल एन इनविटेशन. सो इनविटेशन जो है वो एक तरीके का न्योता है. हिंदी में वी कॉल इट एज न्योता, इनविटेशन. So there are two different types of invitations. One is formal invitation and the other one is informal invitation. So if I talk about the formal invitation, as the name suggests, formal invitations are sent to those who are formally known to us. So these can be of two types. जैसे the first one consists of a printed invitation card, जो हमें शादियों में या फिर स्कूल के एनुअल फंक्शन में जिस तरीके का इनविटेशन कार्ड मिलता है, स्कूल के एनुअल फंक्शन में पेरेंट्स को मिलता है, शादियों में हम किसी रिलेटिव्स को या किसी को भी हम जो कार्ड देते हैं, that is called an invitation card, where the occasion is specially like special occasions are there like marriage, school annual day, sports day, etc. ये तो हो गया एक तरीके का. दूसरा वाला जो इनविटेशन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड दैट इज गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ फॉर्मल लेटर. वो एक लेटर के फॉर्म में होता है, वेयर द इनविटेशन इज फॉर वन पर्सन. अब ये इनविटेशन हम किसको देंगे? So this invitation which is in the form of the formal letter is given to one person. Suppose आपके किसी स्कूल के फंक्शन में, suppose you are the principal and you want to invite somebody else, some renowned personality to be the chief guest on the function. तो उस renowned personality को बुलाने के लिए आपको एक लेटर लिखना पड़ेगा. That is called the letter of invitation and that is considered to be a formal letter. So that is this invitation is for one person to be a part of some celebration as chief guest, judge, and event. Means किसी भी suppose करिए डिबेट कंपटीशन है, तो डिबेट कंपटीशन में किसी जजेस की जरूरत होती है, तो जज को means somebody you are calling to be doing the work of a judge to give the judgment for the competition. तो ऐसे केसेस में आप जब उस व्यक्ति को बुलाते हैं तो यू सेंड हिम एन इनविटेशन लेटर व्हिच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ फॉर्मल इनविटेशन. नाउ अनदर टाइप इज इनफॉर्मल इनविटेशन. सो इनफॉर्मल इनविटेशन हम भेजते किसको है? जनरली दे टेक द शेप ऑफ पर्सनल लेटर्स. They are sent to friends, relatives, or special occasions like birthdays, anniversary celebrations. So as the name suggests, informal, we send these types of invitations to our friends, relatives, and वो भी किसी special occasion के लिए, suppose करिए birthdays हो गया, anniversary celebration हो गया. So this we write in the form of a personal letter, जैसे informal letter लिखते हैं. And invitation is in itself is a complete piece of information. तो जब आप किसी को invitation card देते हैं तो वो बाकी questions उसको पूछने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, because all the points are given in the invitation card. Similar is the case with the invitation letter. So here we come to know that invitations are of two types, formal and informal. Formal में we can send in two ways. One is for a large gathering we send invitation card. जो ज्यादा लोगों के लिए होता है तो उसको invitation card बनाते हैं उसके लिए. And for one single person to invite or preside or be a judge or chief guest on the occasion, उसके लिए हम invitation letter देते हैं. That is in the form of a formal letter. Another one is, the second one is informal invitation, जिसमें we send to our friends, relatives, and that is being given in the form of personal letters. Now, main characteristics. A formal invitation in the form of a card is normally a single sentence presentation. जो कार्ड के फॉर्म में होता है, I will show you an example of it. You will understand. This is in the form of one single sentence. So in case the invitation is formal, the third person is used. Like, we will not use I or we or you. Third person will be used. In case if it is informal, first or second person is used. So it answers the questions. अब आपके invitation में कौन-कौन से questions का answer होता है? One is who is the invitation for? Whom is the invitation? Who is inviting? Whom it is for? Means कौन invite कर रहा है और किसके लिए invitation है? Who is the person who is inviting and to whom the invitation letter is given. Second, where, कोई भी function या celebration जो होना है वो कहाँ पर हो रहा है? Where, what time and for what occasion. So an occasion, name of the invitees, names of the hosts, date, time and venue. ये सारी चीजें आपके invitation में होनी चाहिए. Now coming towards the formal invitation, जो कि card की बात कर रहे हैं, invitation card. So what are the value points of it? To be written in third person, सबसे पहली बात, no abbreviation is used, short form abbreviations are not used, and simple present tense is used. We have to keep this thing in our mind that it should be in a box. अब देखते हैं. Each entry, as mentioned in separate line, in the first is the name of the person who is or are inviting. Second is formal expressions like request, the pleasure of your company. Third is time and date of the event, purpose and occasion of the invitation. Then in RSVP, address with the telephone number is given at which the invitee may contact for any queries. Suppose करिए जिसको आपने invite किया है, अगर वो कोई queries पूछता है, उसको कोई पूछना है, कोई चीज बात करनी है, तो for that purpose we write RSVP and write down the phone number in the end. In official invitations, time by which the guests are to be seated, ये भी दिया जाता है. Name of the chief guest, program be given. ये सारी चीजें दी जाती है in the official invitation. Now this is the sample of an invitation card. So here, suppose this is for any prize distribution ceremony, और आप ये सबको invitation card दे रहे हैं for a large gathering. So it will start the principal, staff and teachers. So who are inviting? The principal, staff and the teachers. Of which school? Sunrise Public School. Cordially invite you. You means here comes everybody. So to the prize distribution ceremony on Saturday, the 14th May 2022 at 5 p.m. in the school auditorium. So here पहले आपने who लिखा, फिर organization का नाम, फिर invite कर रहे हैं तो occasion का नाम, the day and the date on which the occasion is going to take place, then the time and finally the place, venue, कहाँ पर ये हो रहा है, in the school auditorium. Then if this is a prize distribution, तो कोई chief guest तो होगा, ये guest of honor होगा. So if that person is a renowned person, you need to mention his name. तो यहाँ पर Nobel laureate Mr. Kailash Satyarthi has graciously consented to be the chief guest. Consented मतलब agree करना, उन्होंने chief guest होकर आने की सहमति दी है. Now at the end you will leave a line and write down RSVP and name of the principal, or simply अगर नाम नहीं दिया तो only principal and an imaginary phone number. So this should be written in a box like I have mentioned, and the format should be like this. On the top, then off single, then again a little bigger 2-3 words, then 2-3 words, then the entire name of the occasion, which should be bold, and then the remaining, and the last line can be given in one complete line. Now, if you can see, ये पूरी जो sentence है ना, the principal से लेकर नीचे school auditorium तक, it's a complete one single sentence. So it has to be in one single sentence. I hope this is clear to all of you. This is the invitation card for a large gathering, and this is the formal invitation. Now, in case of formal invitation, we also can see this invitation letter. अब ये invitation letter हम किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति को देंगे जिसको हम बुलाना चाहते हैं to be the chief guest or the guest of honor. Okay, so here I have mentioned this should be, because this is for one single person, so this is written in the form of a formal letter. So on the top, you will write down only the name of the school, the place, Sunrise Global School, Agra. So they are inviting, school is inviting. Then the date, 26 November, whatever the date is. Then to whom you are calling. So Mr. Dhanraj Pillai, suppose he is being called as to grace the occasion. So then sir, salutation, and then subject. Subject में क्या होगा? Invitation as chief guest. And then leaving a line, you will start, I am pleased to inform you that our school is going to hold annual sports day on 30th November 2021 at 11 a.m. I request you to be the chief guest on the occasion. I hope you will find time to give away prizes to the budding sports persons of our school and encourage them. 2-3 lines you have written, and then next line you will write down, kindly confirm your availability at the earliest. तो यहाँ आपने पूरा लेटर लिख दिया simply, and then writing down thanking you, yours truly, and secretary. So this is an invitation letter, formal letter. Now coming to the informal invitations, value points are use first person, I, we, and second person also you, and avoid using he, she, and they. Do not write subject and receiver's address. ये नहीं लिखते because it's a personal letter. Write in warm and personalized style. जो आपके style होगी, it should be very warm. ठीक. Avoid writing unnecessary details. ये कोई बड़ा letter नहीं है. This is just an invite. तो इसमें आप ज़्यादा unnecessary details देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And you can begin with dear and the name of that person. So these are the value points for the informal invitation. Now let's see a sample of it. Again, in a box, on the top, you will write down your address, the sender's address, B5 Yojana Vihar, Delhi. Then the date, 9th February, and then dear Rita, to whom you are sending the invitation. Then leaving a line, you will write down a small letter. I have much pleasure to inform you that I have been selected for BTech courses in DTU. This is the cause. My parents are very happy at my success, and they are going to organize a post-selection party at our home on 14th February 2022. You are invited to join our family at 7:30 p.m. at our home. So here you have mentioned all the details, why the party is being thrown, who is throwing the party, and where, when, and at what time. All are mentioned. Then leaving a line, yours lovingly, Anuja. So this is all about the informal invitation. So that's all for today. I think you have understood what an invitation is. Go through it properly. I will make another video on how to reply these invitations. Maybe it will come in a day or two. That will help you to understand the topic more clearly and give your exam. So all the best. Keep watching my channel and please do subscribe. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and click on the bell icon. Till I bring more videos, bye-bye.